This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carol Gonzalez. The perfect location for this beautiful open floor plan with vaulted ceiling, center island, all-wood cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, double sinks, ADA-accessible shower, tub can be removed, and more. The yard is fully fenced with lots of privacy. Includes cocktail pool with water feature, gazebo, retractable awning and side yard that may fit a small boat or jet ski. Large yard for kids or pets. Close distance to the beach, shops, restaurants, parks and school. The home was concrete block with a concrete block addition bringing the square footage to around 2,003 square feet. Giving you the additional space for an office, playroom or den. This home is well maintained and move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.